Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm the Rtmp server hostname exactly matches the certificate CN or SAN so TLS validation can succeed. Once done, open OBS, reproduce the error, and save the log. You need the exact SSL error string and timestamp for diagnosis. Make sure your machine clock is accurate. Certificate validation fails if your clock is off by minutes. Also check OBS version and any plugins. Outdated builds can mishandle SNI or certificate chains, so note versions before changing settings. Next, fetch the server's certificate chain so you can see which certificate is missing or invalid. You can use Invalid Ssl client or an equivalent tool to inspect the server's presented chain. Look for missing intermediates or expired entries. Once you identify a broken link, update the server to serve the full chain in proper order, or reinstall the correct certificate bundle. If the server uses SNI, make sure OBS sends the correct host name. Otherwise, the server may return a default, invalid certificate. Finally, apply the fixed certificate bundle on the server and restart the Rtmp service so the new chain is served. Then clear OBS cached connections, update the stream key if needed, and test the connection while watching the fresh OBS log for a successful TLS handshake. If it still fails, test from a different client or machine to rule out local trust store issues. One key troubleshooting tip: capture a fresh Invalid Ssl client output and the OBS log together. They reveal whether OBS or the server is the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.